Well, as you can see, the sunny days have officially ended for a while. What is up, loud and proud crowd? Hopefully you guys are doing absolutely fabulous. So we have got a special one today because we're bringing back a truck you guys haven't seen in a long time and giving it a little bit more attention and giving it an upgrade that it needs so dearly. So a lot of you guys know that ever since we bought this truck, we've been wanting to put a set of chrome Anthem wheels on it, but we never just really got around to it, but we're going to today. So we got the truck over here. It's been sitting here for quite some time. It hasn't been ran in a long time. I gotta tell you guys, today we're gonna get it to the barn over at the other place, and we're gonna get some 20 by 12 Anthem equalizers put on this thing. There's a chrome finish, get some RPB tires that we're gonna be putting on it, and it's just gonna be awesome. So, like always, of course, if you guys want some good looking wheels at a very good value, check out Anthem. Information is always in the description below. Those of you guys who check out my descriptions probably know that. I always keep Anthem plugged down there just because they're a really sweet wheel company. So we're gonna get this thing started up, hopefully. Hopefully it doesn't give us too much of a fight and it fires up, but I just gotta figure out which Dodge key it is. Here we go, here we go. There we go. Now hopefully this battery's not too toasted because it basically says that there's no voltage, so we're gonna find out how that goes. Oh, started right up, perfect. So, it is a first hit. It is a first hit. We're gonna get this thing pulled over to the other shop, but first we gotta swing by the shop that we always get our wheels and tires mounted and balanced at right around the corner from our house. And we're gonna get these wheels and tires loaded up in the bed of this thing and get them over to the shop. I think you guys are gonna really like the wheel and tire combo for this truck. Like I said, guys, this is something that my dad's been wanting to do for a long time. Stay tuned and get the full effect of this. It's gonna be pretty sweet. Tires are pretty bald, I gotta say. They're pretty low on tread, not really any stance. I mean, she's ready for some Anthems. Here are the Anthems in the RBP tires. Now, of course, this is a stretched wheel and tire setup. So, as you can see, it's almost flush with the tire and the rim. Right when the rim disappears, it's like flush down the sidewall of the tire and the rim. So you do have the possibility of curbing these if you get too close to a curb and you try to ride a curb. You could do that with these, but they're gonna look good. They're gonna look really good. As much as this truck gets driven, like I said, it's been in storage for a long time. As much as this truck gets driven, I'm not too worried about that. I don't think my dad is either. But we're gonna get them on this truck. And yes, I know, guys, there's some rust on the truck. That's been there since we bought it. It's eventually gonna get fixed. There's just a lot to do. Anyways, we're gonna get to doing the wheels and tires on this truck, and hopefully this thing turns out to be an absolute beast. Yes, I know the truck is sitting outside in the rain right now, which it's not gonna be long. As soon as this wheel and tire setup is done on the first gen, I'm gonna actually pull this into the shop and microfiber towel wipe down the entire thing because it was already clean. It's just got these the raindrops on it now, so I'm gonna get this pulled into the shop after we're done with this truck, get it all cleaned up, and make it look really good and polished up. But do not forget, every $15 you spend is another automatic entry to win this truck, and you guys have 11 days left. 11, okay? 11 days left to enter to win this truck. Every $15 is another automatic entry to win, and it is as simple as buying a hat, a hoodie, a couple decals, keychains, whatever. Every $15 is another entry to win. You get some awesome merchandise, and you get the opportunity to win a truck like this. And you can literally just buy one item, like a shirt or a hat or something. If it's $15 or more, you're entered to win. It's super cool. It's an awesome way to help keep the channel progressing forward and getting stuff done, and also giving one of you who support what I do an opportunity to win and take home a beautiful one-of-a-kind truck. Guys, this truck looks so flipping amazing. I mean, it just looks so freaking bad. I know at first there are probably people scrolling down in the comments going, oh my gosh, don't do chrome, or oh my goodness, don't do stretched, or you know, whatever. Like, but guys, this truck looks incredible. And honestly, this was my dad's opinion too. This is what he wanted on the truck. He's like, I want a 12 wide so that it gives it at least some stance, nothing crazy, like a 12 on a second gen or a 14 wide or anything like that. He's like, but I want a little bit of tire poke and I want it to just look aggressive, but I think a chrome look would look really good with the grille on the truck, the mirrors, and just that white paint that just kind of will make the chrome pop. And I gotta say, it looks really good, especially next to this blue 12 valve. That could be yours, by the way. I already obviously showed you the little clip around the truck for that in that montage, but man, this thing just looks so bad. It just looks so good. I'm trying not to stand out in the rain because it's pretty nasty out right now. But guys, just soak this in right here. Oh my goodness, this thing is so fresh looking. I gotta say, it's just so nice. And honestly, my dad's going to be freaking blown away when he sees this. I think he's going to really like it. Now, the truck shouldn't rub at all. It's a 20 by 12 with a 33 by 1250. I think it actually had 35s on it before. I'm not sure if they were 33 or 35s, but the wheels and tires that were on it cleared. They just didn't clear with a lot of space. And at least on the front, which obviously probably wouldn't be the first concern, but on the front, there's plenty of room. There's about 3 inches, I think, of space before the tire would hit. And in the back, I want to say there's probably going to be about 1 inch to spare, maybe. So overall, it clears and it looks good. But guys, just soak in that chrome look on this truck. Like I said, my dad said he wanted some tire poke, but not a lot. I told him a 12 wide on a first gen would be just about what he wants, which is basically about how his King Ranch sits. And my dad's not crazy on like big stance. Like, this is the most that he would take on a truck on a second gen, which is why that's what he has on Nasty Red. No more than that though. Like, he's not crazy about the super wide stuff. Anything wider than this is just way too much for his daily use and application, which when you go to build your truck, some people are like, oh my gosh, you got to be practical and have a certain amount of tire to wheel ratio for when you go mud bogging and all this crap. And like, in reality, guys, like, do people really do that much with their daily driver trucks? I know there's going to be some guys like, oh yeah, like a couple times a year I'll throw it in a mud pit, but it's like daily practicality. Do you really need to have 16-inch wheels and 37-inch tires, or is a 20 by 12 and a 33 fine? You know what I'm saying? I know there's going to be guys that, you know, argue that and say that it looks dumb in their opinion, but they look awesome in this truck. I gotta say, it just totally different effect that it gives, and it's going to look amazing. And now you just get your thumb and block out that little rust spot there, and you got a perfect Instagram worthy truck right there. And what we need to do is actually get this truck in for paint and body work soon. I know we've said that for the past 1.5 years, 2 years, but it really does need paint and body work soon. And it's just that little spot on each side on the fenders in the back, and there's like a couple little teeny tiny pinholes in the rocker on the one side. And so other than that though, it's really not bad. It's really in really good shape. 85,000 original miles if you haven't heard. And I mean, it's just a beautiful truck with lots of potential, just lots of potential. I'm leaning towards wanting to get into doing more power stuff than anything else. But it's just finding the right truck, and you know, that's ready to be built and isn't already built. Because that was my plan for my next truck, was to buy something and just completely build the engine and trans and all that stuff. And then I saw this one, I'm like, crap, I know this one's already built, but you can't find another truck like that. Like, you just can't. So I bought that one. But the next truck, guys, that's really the route I want to go. I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and if you did, I want you to leave me a fat thumbs up. Every time you guys leave a thumbs up, it helps get this video to rank so other people can actually see my content and find my channel and see who we are and what we're about. And if you guys could do that, that would mean the world to me, and it helps out a ton. And if you guys have not done so yet, enter to win this truck. Every $15 you spend on LMP gear, hats, hoodies, t-shirts, all of the above, everything that you purchase gets you more entries closer to winning that truck. And the truck giveaway ends July 14th. You guys have 11 days left, and then this giveaway right here is gone. And I don't have another one planned right now, so honestly, this might be your best shot at winning one of our trucks. And what better truck to have than a mint condition second gen that's just completely custom top to bottom. Anyways, guys, leave a like on this video, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, join the team, join the family, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.